Hi everyone, in this session I will cover the DB2 administration tool. The DB2 administration tool provides us with a variety of options and actions which we can perform on our database. Now coming to the first thing, how to log into the DB2 administration tool. On different systems, DB2 administration panel is configured at different places. For example, in some system you can reach the DB2 administration panel by option S, point D, point 2, point A, and in some system you can reach it by option D, Dallas, then D for the database maintenance, then D again to access the DB2 admin panel, and D for the DB2 administration tool. Once you will come to this screen, you can see the various subsystems. From the list of the subsystems, you have to select your subsystem name. For example, I select DSN9 as my subsystem name. Now coming to the main menu. This is the main menu of DB2 administration tool. In this menu, we will try to cover as many options as possible. Now coming to the first option, that is DSN9 system catalog. Once you log into this option, you can see various object options available like plants, DBRMs, tables, views, aliases, etc. In this I will cover the most important option, which is tables, which is required in our day-to-day life. In the option tab, you have to write T for the tables and you have to write the table name. In my case, the table name is CRMTPCCT. You can also specify the owner who owns this particular table. In case you don't specify the owner, it will give you list of owners who have created this particular table. Once you write this, the table name, press enter to continue. You will see the next screen and various owners who have created this particular table. Now coming to the line commands. You can see number of line commands which are available, which can be used to perform various operations on your table. Suppose I want to see the number of columns and the column details of my table. I will type C, which is one of the line command, in front of the table name. Please remember that you should always write the line commands at the first position. If you write the line command on second position, it will say invalid command. Type C and then press enter. You can see the list of the column names, the column number, column type, length, scale, and various other information related to the columns of particular table. Now suppose you want to serve this complete data. Then in commands position, type BR, which means browse right, and press enter. It will show you the column details in a form of a table, and then you can use the normal F11, F10 keys to surf through the table. Press F3 to come out. Now coming to the next important option, that is list. When you press L and press enter, it will show you the data in the table. It is similar to select star from particular table name. You can see the complete data in a table, and again you can do BR to browse right, and you can see all the fields in the table. Again press F3 to come out. Once you will press F3, you will come out of the browse right mode, and again when you will press F3 second time, then you will come out of the table mode. Now coming to the next option, important option X, that is indexes. Suppose you want to see the indexes which have been created on that particular table. Give X as a line command and press enter. You can see the index which is created on this particular table. Now suppose you want to see the columns which are included in the index. Again give the line command C and press enter. These are the columns which form that particular index. It will show the sequence number, the column type, the length, scale, and again all the details. Press F3 to come out. Now coming to the next important option, that is views. You can also see the views which are created on this particular table. Press V and press enter. You can see all the views which have been created on the table and the owner who owns this particular view. Here again you can see the list of line commands which are present, which you can use on these particular views. Press F3 to come out. Now again we can see main show all line commands. It will give you numerous options which you can perform on your particular table, like show all columns for this row, authorization on table, alter table or materialize table, alter table columns with db2 admin alter, etc. We will see some of the important commands like count star function. Once you select count star function and press S and then press enter, you can see the number of rows which are present in your table. It is equivalent to select count star function. You can also generate the DDL with the help of this option. When you select S and you press enter, it will show you the DDL of that particular table. Since I don't have access, I am unable to see the DDL or I am unable to generate the DDL. Now coming to the next option, which is UT. Press UT and press enter. You can see the various utilities which you can execute on your particular table space, like unload and load. When you select unload using unload utility and press enter, it will generate a JCL. Once you submit this JCL, the output will be generated in the sysrack. All the records will move to the sysrack. You can see all the records which were present in the tables have come to the sysrack. Coming to the next option, which is table spaces. There are a couple of options which you can perform on the table space of a particular table also. Select S line command and press enter. Here again you can see various options like tables, database, authorization, storage groups, etc. Here the most important function here available is display table space. When you select this and press enter, you can see the status of your table space. Like currently my table space is in a read write status. In case if your table space is in copy pending status, then it will show that status is copy pending. In case if some other utility is running on a particular table, then it will again show UTRO status. If it is in recovery pending status, it will show the recovery pending status. So by coming to this option, you can make out whether your table space is in a read write mode or any other mode, and accordingly you can repair your table space. Press F3 to come out. Now how to repair your table space. When you press UT and you press enter, you can see all the utilities which can be performed on your table space, like full image copy, incremental copy, copy to copy, repair no copy pending, repair no check pending, repair no recovery pending, reorg, run stats, recover, etc. Suppose I want to run the run stats. I'll press R and I'll press enter. It will again generate a JCL which will run stats on my table space. Press submit and press enter. It has run the run stats on my table space. These are the options which are available in the first option menu, which is DB2 system catalog.